Okay, I just want to show you again because my microphone was off, so I don't know if you heard me or not. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sirloin steak pieces, okay? And we're gonna cook this on 370, starting out with 20 minutes. So I put the garlic, pepper, black pepper, Larry's, and Sassoon on it, and some olive oil already. All right, so one rack is already in the oven. This is the second one. I'm shutting it so you can see we're cooking it at the temperature of 370, and we're gonna cook it for 20 minutes, okay? All right, I just wanted to do that over in case you couldn't hear me. Thank you. We'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So the 20 minutes have expired and I took them out. So I'm gonna turn it over, and once I turn it over, then I'm gonna take the temperature and see if they're done or not, okay? This one was on the top rack, so you know the top rack cooks faster than the bottom rack because it's closer to the heat, right? So let's take a temperature. Let's go in right into the middle. Okay, this rack is done at 160. Let's see this one that was on the bottom. I have family over, so I'm cooking for my granddaughter's birthday. Hey guys, how would you like your steak?
Medium well.
Okay. And Darius and Brenda? Oh no!
Medium rare.
Oh, you're gonna go. This is Darius, everybody. Oh, they can't see your face.
Oh,
medium rare. Okay, so 151. You're there. Okay, so you know what? I'm done because he wants his medium rare and she wants her as well. So we are good on the two racks. The bottom rack is medium rare at 150. And it should be around 155, Darius, but are you okay with this?
I'm fine with that.
With the blood running out a little?
The blood running out? Oh, no.
Oh, okay. So we're going to put Darius's back in for 5 minutes to get that up to around 155, okay? And then we'll be back. Meanwhile, I'm going to take a taste on the one that's already done. The one that registered in on the temperature of, okay, I need to see, I gotta turn this on to get the light. I could not see how to get it in. Okay, we're gonna let that one start again. You can see on the counter here that it was definitely not ready. The red blood is still running out. Okay, so we're gonna put that back on while we taste this one. Oh, this one's done. There's no red blood here. Okay. We still have that on 370. Let's do 10 minutes. Okay? All right, so we're gonna take a taste. Remember, this rack of steak cooked for 20 minutes, and we're cooking additional 10 minutes on the rack that was on the bottom, okay? All right, let's take a taste. I just want to show you the middle, okay? Let me show you the whole rack so that you can see how they look up close. Okay, Now this is sirloin tips, except I didn't cut it up into tips. I left it as steak. So we're calling it sirloin steak, okay? All right, so let's take a taste. I'm gonna adjust the camera. And then I'm gonna call in my grandson. He owns One Up Athletics. I've been advertising his company. You see I have his shirt on right here. See it says One Up. It's One Up Athletics. I'm gonna try to show you the back. I don't know if you see. Am I getting a good view, Darius? Come look.
A little bit over to the right. Oh no, left. Left more. There you go.
Can you see it now?
Yep.
All right. See? Okay, so I'm gonna taste this, and while I'm chewing, I'm gonna have him explain to you all about his company, because I want you to go over there and I want you to purchase some items from him, okay? Because he's my grandson and I'm trying to support him, and he's really doing a wonderful job. He is just blowing up, and we need to have his back. 19 years old, doing the right thing. He's not out there on the streets. You know, he's just great, and he can tell you how to get healthy and how he can help you get in shape, okay? So while I'm chewing this, I'm gonna have him talk to you, and then I'll let you know how the steak tastes, all right? All right, Darius, come on over.
Hey guys, it's Darius at One Up Athletics. Great to meet you all. I've been on the channel before. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about One Up Athletics. We are a new athletic brand that launched in April 2018. And we've been open for around 6 to 7 months now, and our growth has been very good. We market most of our clothing through Instagram, so if you want to follow us at Instagram at One Up Athletics. And yeah, and the Christmas is coming. We got a whole lot more new clothing coming out. Very high quality. We do online training, offering workout planners, nutrition planners, and online personal training as well. And we have sponsored athletes as well that represents for us as well. So yeah, guys, check us out. Go to oneupathletics.com, and remember, guys, one up yourself.
So let me ask you a question. So let's say I wanted to get in shape, and you sold me a plan. Like, for instance, how much could I get a plan for, and what kind of plan would that be?
So okay.
So you were saying?
So it costs $29.99. We do offer a 10% off code, which I can give you right now. It's 1UP10, and you get 10% off right at checkout.
Oh, what?
Yes. I'm
so
going
look,
out
guys.
there right now.
Oh, let me just say this. This is a great Christmas present. You can order that now, and you can get 10% off. I mean, come on, 10% of $29. Are you kidding me? You all need to be all over this, okay? So if you forget the code, I play this tape back, and you can hear it over and over and over. And you know, you can get this for 2 or 3 family members. You know, somebody that maybe need to get their abs in shape, or whatever they need to work on. Okay, that's a great deal.
Yeah, exactly. It's
wow.
Coming right here, 10% off, 1UP10.
See, all that from listening to Grandma Ray Don't Play. And you need, what is your website?
OneUpAthletics.com.
Okay, athletics has got an S on the end of it, okay? All right, so I just taste the steak. Oh my goodness, it is juicy. Well, you want to taste it, Darius?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna let him taste it. Oh, you want to taste too? Oh, the birthday girl want to taste too. Okay, here you go, Darius. Here you go, Nia. Okay, and by the way, I just stopped the air fryer. So the other tray of steak cooked for an additional 7 minutes. Okay, so we're 27 minutes for all of it, but the first rack that was on the top, remember, 20 minutes, and the second rack additional 7 minutes, so 27 minutes. Okay, what do you all think?
It's amazing. I like it.
You like it? Is it tender?
Yes, very tender.
Juicy? So it goes to show you, when you buy sirloin tips, you don't have to cut it up into little tip pieces. You can serve it just like it is, okay? It keeps the juice in, it locks it in, it's great. Okay?
So much flavor.
So, listen, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, take care of your family. I'm over here today taking care of mine. It's my granddaughter's birthday. She just turned 17. She's on her way to graduate from high school this year. I just wanted to show her some love and care. You know how that go, right? Okay, so this is Grandma Ray. Don't play. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. Like the video if you like it. And whatever you do, please go on over to One Up Athletics and support them, okay?
One up
Support
yourself.
them. One up
One up
yourself. Bye.